Hello folks, in this video we are looking at the Black Keys Your Touch, and this one is going out for John Bishop over at Patreon. Thanks for your support, sir. Standard tuning, I'm using the skeleton key, which does that nicely. All that good stuff, okay? Pretty simple tune, so this shouldn't take too long. Let's dive in. First riff is cool. It goes 3, 4. Very cool riff. It's just repeated twice. So we have little sort of quarter step bend on that 3rd fret there. Then we go, you could use your little finger here to get that one, or you could flatten your 3rd finger, right? 5 there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Little rest. Then you go another little bend there, right? Again, slowly. Again. Then we're into the main riff, right? So the drums come in and we have 2, 3. Like that. Okay, there's some very subtle variants, and then we're into the verse 5 times. But we have rest, rest, a little whack, and then an open E. Then we go D, whack. Then we slide from C to D. And it's a bit sort of staccato when you arrive at the D, because then you're going to move back down to the C. Okay? 2, 3. Okay, second time is 3. Again, very subtle difference. Rest and 2 open, right? Same second half though. Third time. Again, you just got some wax on the beat. And a little E note there. And then the verse is just 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Like that. Okay, you do that 5 times. And then the chorus kind of combines the first riff and the verse riff, which goes. Like that, okay? So it's a really cool little vibey thing. Slide from the 10th. Then we've got... It's a very subtle palm mute, I think, on that. And then same second half. Do that 4 times. Then you're into verse 2. Same as before. 2, 3, 4. That's 4 times of that. Chorus 2 is the same as chorus 1. You do that 4 times. Then we have these solo breaks, okay? So we've got... So those are the first 2. That is a unison bend, so you're playing the 5th fret on the B and the 7th fret on the G. But it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next one's easy. Just a little bit of vibrato on the 7th fret there on the, what's that, the 4th string. This one's cool, so we go... So you've got... A little slide basically from 2nd fret to the 4th, and then 4th to 7. And then you've got this cool bend. You can do what you want here. I'm going to do just one string that I'm going to bend up. Like that. So you're going to do a bend, release, and then without picking, You do 2 slides. You slide to 9, then 12, and then repeat a full step bend. Like that. Into that. Oh, you do that twice. And then we've got some more fills. So we've got one of these. Then we've got one chorus riff. Then you go back into another verse. This is verse 3 now. Same as before. 3, 4. Then you just play the last chorus 4 times, but there's a very subtle variance on the 4th time. So the first 3 would be. So 3 of those, and then we have the 4th time. And you end like that, right? So you just play. That just holds, and then to end. Hope you enjoyed that one. Nice and easy. See you again soon.